journey of Xavier School of Communications started with a dream like many other great institutions. A dream that Father Paul Fernandez SJ, Director of Xavier Institute of Management Bhubaneswar, and Father Lourdes Ignashimuthu SJ, Director of Xavier Institute of Communications, Ranchi, collectively sought to open a state-of-the-art professional media school at Xavier University, Bhubaneswar.
Welcome to Xavier University, Bhubaneswar, and a warm welcome to the Xavier School of Communications.
Welcome to Xavier School of Communications.
A dream that the school would give aspiring students across the country an opportunity to pursue professional courses in mass media and undergo vocational training, making them employable. Inspired by the Jesuit ethos of community building via education, this dream took shape eventually and soon translated into reality. XCOM was inaugurated on 2nd July 2015. The vision, mission and objectives of XCOM are allied to the brand ethos of Xavier University, Inspiring Futures, and hence designed in accordance to inspire future media professionals.
A beautiful dream came true with the birth of Xavier University, and now, this year, another dream came true with the birth of the Xavier School of Communications, which aims to produce great student actors, directors, producers, journalists, media persons who communicate life in all its variety and fullness to all. Whatever is in their heart, they can mold themselves into media persons who can help through their communication build a society where peace, love and justice reign supreme, and building a society where people are humane, where everyone can feel free and honored.
Its vision is to empower the aspiring youth who joins XCOM to be ethically sensitive, innovative, and skillful media professionals contributing to global peace and harmony. In the process, it also strives to promote progressive trends in the areas of communications and research and envisage students to communicate live to people across the world. The mission is to enhance knowledge and professionalism in the field of media and communication, to promote ethical media practices and keep abreast with the changes of the time, to function as a center of excellence and to play a vital role in building a new media culture where life is respected and valued. The key objectives of XCOM are to equip students with the necessary technical know-how of the high-end software and hardware, making them employable in the ever-evolving media industry, to facilitate a knowledge center and repository of media research, thereby contributing to knowledge sharing and community building.
Hello, I'm Abhijit Nishank. I'm from Gopalpur, Odisha. I'm doing MA in Mass Comm. Right now, I'm at the audio studio of XCOM. Here we use the Studio One Pro, which is the professional software which the people of the film industry use for mixing the audios.
The MA program offers hands-on approach that allows students to experience the full range of technical expertise, conceptual skills, and artistic expression required to become accomplished practitioners of the electronic media. Through acquisition of theoretical knowledge and extensive production skills in film, television, radio, and photography, the program encourages students to adopt a creative, professional, and scholarly approach to media practices.
The infrastructure that XCOM provides is second to none. The studio has a state-of-art design and the equipments are totally professional. I think it has been a great experience for me because just in one semester I have been a part of so many projects.
PG Diploma in Film and TV Production aims to provide an integrated overview of the mediums of film and television with emphasis on content production. Value additions will be in terms of appreciation of this medium through hands-on practices, film screenings, workshops, field trips, while the emphasis is on the art and craft of audiovisual production, direction, scripting, cinematography, editing, sound and special effects. The course also attempts to provide students with an opportunity to look at the canon of classical and contemporary cinema to critically appreciate and analyze films in the changing social milieu.
Life at XCOM has been very exciting up till now. The teaching here does not end in the boundary of the classroom, but also with the learning of handling professional equipments.
PG Diploma in Broadcast Journalism covers select areas of mass communication like journalism, television production, argumentation, mass communication theories, reporting for TV, video editing, and scripting for radio and TV news. Other related subjects that augment broadcast communication too would make a student a professional broadcast journalist. The student is taught to provide truthful and intelligent account of the news, to serve as a forum for the exchange of comment and criticism.
It's been a great experience at XCOM so far. We have been exposed to different areas of mass communication, from journalism, radio broadcasting, digital still photography to writing for media. In a short span of time, we have learned how to write scripts for television and movies.
BSc Mass Communication is the undergraduate program designed to train the young minds to acquire knowledge about the functions and processes of mass media. The program entails all major components of mass communication including print, film, radio, TV, advertising and public relations. The student is rightly exposed to both theory and practical aspects of the mediums and trained to critically understand the applications. The USP of the program lies in the hands-on approach with the latest audiovisual media equipment used for practical. The curriculum of the school is designed to focus on both theory and practicals. 50% of the syllabi is given to theory, the other 50% is allotted to practicals, which focuses on hands-on experience. Papers are designed with a view to expose students to both academics as well as industry. Internship and field practices are integrated into the programs. XCOM follows semester pattern and encourages students to engage in portfolio building. XCOM invites highly qualified visiting faculties from across the media industries to teach directorial practices, aesthetics, film and television studies, television production, motion picture photography, digital video editing, digital audio production, digital still photography, human rights, anchoring and news production, online journalism, graphic design, editorial software, and production elements of film and television. Short courses on media. XCOM offers short certificate courses on digital still photography, short filmmaking, graphic design, newspaper layout designing, film appreciation, digital video editing, editorial systems and processes, writing and reporting for print media and television production to interested students and working professionals from media as well as from other disciplines.
This is a lovely place, the Xavier University, and we would like to welcome you to Xavier University and to its School of Communications. You can come and see our studio, our production facilities, and feel at home with Xavier University, with Xavier School of Communications. A warm welcome to you and thank you.
Join us at XCOM to foster a progressive media environment, to become ethical media practitioners, and to communicate life.
Communicating life.
Communicating life.
Communicating